Hi guys, so let's have a look at something else that's came in from Modelsvit this time. So let's have a look. So this is from Modelsvit. This is one of their 48 scale kits. These guys are really expanding what they're doing. I had a long talk to them when I met them at one of the shows I went to. Really nice guys. They've got a lot of plans, ideas and everything else, and we had a long chat, so it was good. This is their P-51H Mustang, which is the bigger, longer one with the different tail and everything else. This has been out before, but I don't think I've ever shown it off before. So let's have a look at it in the box. Okay, so let's have a look in the box. Bag full of bits and decal sheet, instructions. Have a look at them first. So this is, as I said, this has been out before, but this is the latest version, so they've changed the marking. The kit itself is really nice. It's not Hasegawa, Tamiya or any of those sort of ones, so some modelling skills is required to make sure everything fits properly, gets it all in there. They've done some interesting ways of doing even the propellers, a two-piece, things like that. So this is all this is the stencils. This is all your different markings. Generally they're silvers with different colour schemes and everything else, and then there's a red and silver one, which is the one I'm going to do. Now, the other thing about Modelsvit too lately, they've got etched metal, but they are adding mask sets in now as well. So it just makes it that little bit easier. Are they a little bit more expensive than your average kit of that type? Probably, but the fact that it includes a mask always helps. But as I said, very good paint guide, very good layout and everything else. But the actual kit itself, this is the decal sheet, so it's got basically everything you want on it. Clear parts. Clear parts are included in the bag, so that protects them. Rubber tyres, there's the mask, etched metal. So it's quite a nice little bag of goodies. The actual kit itself is very nice. The finish on it is really nice. It's not, when you think of some of the limited run sort of stuff, it's got that pebbly feel about the plastic. The plastic feels more like the Tamiya plastic or the Hasegawa type plastic or all those sort of brands. But the detail is really nice. The finish on it is very good. So that's the wing sets. So that's very good. Fuselage has all the main factors of the P-51H. The deeper fuselage, slightly different engine setup, bigger, taller tail. That's the most recognisable one. Again, just really nice little detail. It's got all the facets that you need on it. It's actually even riveted and panel lined, so if you're really into all that sort of stuff, then you're going to really love that. So this is all your accessory parts. There's wheels and all sorts of things there. There's the prop. As you can see, the prop's interesting because they've done it as two parts, so you join it together. What else have we got on there? Exhaust. Now the exhausts are drilled out as well, so that's pretty nice. So they're actually modelers themselves, so they do know a little bit about what the modeler wants, type of thing. This is your drop tanks and weapons. This is all your flaps and landing gear, doors, things like that. And this is part of the cockpit, so nice seat. The seat's got quite a bit of etched metal detail on it too, and it's just well laid out. So look, it's if you want to add that whole Mustang family and you want to do some more to it and things like that, you know, it's a lovely kit. As I said, if you're thinking of getting hold of one, do so.